Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you're doing fine. And today again I'm with a new strategy which comes with the three indicators. Okay, we're gonna plot on your chart. And as you know, most time I'm trying my best to bring you the strategy which comes with only with indicators, and that's make your trading very easy and take you to the next level. Okay, so what we're gonna do is the price action, as I mentioned in the previous videos. That's very important. At least you need to have a little bit idea about different types of patterns. If you know the pattern is like with the V pattern, you can see here this one. Okay, and some patterns are the reversal pattern, which called head and shoulder pattern. Over here you can see that's called reversal one, and some patterns are the continuation even with the W pattern. Okay, W1. So okay, you can spot these things very easily. You need to know about a little bit the price action, and that's how you can take your trade easy peasy with the new three indicators placed on your chart. Okay, so first of all, the thing is, this is the free charting solution, the tradingview.com. If you register with them by your email, they're gonna give you the free trial for three indicators you can bring on your chart. Okay, and they have some paid version as well. If you pay for it, then they will allow you more than a lot of indicators which you can use on your chart. But it's not just the indicators you're gonna bring on your chart and you make it so noisy and that you don't know, or sometimes it's a bit confusing to a bit confusing to what is it called, take your trade. Okay, so don't get confused with it. Try with the strategy, follow the rules, and let's jump back to our strategy. Okay, for this one I'm gonna do what, we're gonna bring the three indicators on our chart. The first one is, I'm gonna show you the name. You have to go to the indicators. Okay, where is it? There is the indicator, you can see. Showing you here on my screen to the left. You click on the indicators, and then you're gonna type here your indicator names. Okay, so what is the name of those indicators? I'll show you it just right here. You can see QQE mood. Okay, if you type here QQE, and there you can see mood. So I put it on the favorites. You can see the golden star, yellow one. Okay, so it's on the favorites. You click on it, it will become showing on your chart. And then how we're gonna use it, I will tell you. And then the second indicator, which you're gonna, this was the key Q mood. Okay, it's here, down here, you can see now. This is the QQ indicator, QQ mode. Okay, QQE mode indicators, which you can see down below. Okay, now the next indicator, you're gonna go back to again indicator, indicator section, and you will type SSL hybrid. Okay, you can see there SSL. Okay, and then you can see high bread. Okay, SSL hybrid. Okay, so when you click on it, I put in the favorites as well, and make sure you put these indicators in your favorites, so that's help you easy to plot on your chart. Okay, and it's easy to find it back again. So I have here, and which I put in the, yeah, sorry, not this one, not this one. Okay, it was this one, and I put it right here. You can see now on my chart. Let me just bring down this one. Okay, and just let me hide this one again so you can see it. And this one is here. This is the second indicator. One was this one, and the second is here. As you can see, it shows very easy which way, which direction the trend is. Okay, then we're gonna find out how we take the continuation trade and how we're gonna take the reversal trade. Very easy. Okay, okay, let's get back to again the indicators. Bring the third indicator on our chart, and that is The RSI, if you see here in the list you find the RSI. Okay, so when you click on the RSI, here is the name. It shows the RSI diversion. Keep in mind when you bring these indicators, I didn't put on my favorites list. Let me bring it on my favorites, and that's how you know to use it. Okay, RSI, and what is it called? Okay, diversion. Okay, divergence, you can see here. Let me just bring it, click on here. Okay, this is on my favorites now. So this is our side diversion. Okay, and there you can see the number. Keep in mind, and you can use it. Click the screenshot. Okay, when you click on it, it will be on your chart appear here. As you can see, it's appear on our chart. So we have how many indicators? One. Okay, and SSL. Okay, the second is the QQE mood, and the third one is the RSI divergence. And how we gonna use it? Let me bring my chart first on the full screen, as I'm here now. Okay, now we are in the full screen, and that's how you take your trade. How? I'll just tell you. Okay, so there you can see, whenever you see these line of this indicator of the SSL hybrid indicators, you can see when it comes on the sky blue color or the watercolor. Yeah, you can say, sorry, not the sky blue, the watercolor. When it goes into the watercolor change, first is gonna go, after the red is gonna go show a little bit gray, and then it will show the watercolor. Okay, when it shows the watercolor, so you have to get alert. Then this is the time you're gonna take your trade, but not now, just wait. Down below here, if you see, it's a watercolor, but down below right here, the QQE indicator, it shows two gray signs here. Okay, so still it's gray, you don't need to take the trade, you have to wait for it shows the same color, the watercolor, as this trend one, the SSL. Okay, and the QQE, it shows the same color. So when it shows the same color, then you're gonna take your trade. Okay, but make sure when you're taking this trade, before it has to little bit confirm with you with the diversion as well. So how you gonna take a diversion? If you see the market is down here and it's make lower low down here, but if you see the red line, the RSI divergence is down here, and then it's a make it bigger for you, then it shows making higher here. The indicators make lower high and the price make lower low. Okay, so that's how you need to spot a little bit diversion, or otherwise you wait for the line should be green. Okay, this line should be green, and then make the watercolor here, and then the make watercolor should be down here as well. Okay, so the QQE gonna show you these same colors, and then you go for your trade. You can enter here, and your stop loss will be below the previous low here, down here. Okay, so let me just make it more. Yeah, your stop loss will be below the previous low. Okay, and then you watch your trade. Okay, watch your trade. Even if it shows this kind of area, okay, 1 to 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, that's going to be your trade. That's absolutely winning trade. Okay, there's no doubt. Then the second thing, if you again find the red one here, as you can see, it shows the red, the SSL, it shows the red one, then it will come in your mind, now it's a downtrend. No, the trend is uptrend, but it's a little bit consolidation area. So what you have to do in this consolidation area, you just focus on your diversions. Okay, so let's see what it shows. It shows the continuation or it shows the reversal? No, sorry guys, it shows the continuation from this point. If you are worried about the trend is gonna change and it will reverse to the bearish move. No, but that's not true, because here it shows, if you see the price, it shows lower high. Okay, even this price doesn't reach back to this level, didn't break out this level. Okay, that's mean the price is stuck there. It's a consolidation area, but the RSI all the way came down to the lower point, as you can see here. Okay, and then here you can see the price didn't came break this level, it just stuck there in consolidation area. And the RSI, which shows us the continuation from the down here, so that's mean it's gonna continuously the market will rise up again. And in this continuation, if you focus a little bit more, it shows this is down here lower high, and the price make lower low. So it shows continuation and the reversal divergence from this point to this point, and the market's gonna rise up again. So if you see these two things, then you wait for what to take your position when you see the line get watercolor, as you see in this point, and wait for the QQE down here. If you see the QQE just here, if you see my cursor here, the QQE is down here. So when you see this one, and there you can see it's a green, it shows the green, the RSI, it shows the green line, it's about the 50 level. If you see, sorry, the 0.0, like almost we call it the 50 level as well, and it's above the 50 level, the green watercolor, and the SSL is also the watercolor. So you can take your position, you buy in this candle, and your stop loss will be just below the previous low here. Okay, so can you see the trend, how the trend start going up? Okay, now this is the only thing I just want to tell you. In a lot of videos, in a lot of different trading, I mean, the trader is gonna tell you just on the, I mean, like as I'm explaining about the chart which is already done, and we can explain you how does it work. But when it comes to the real one, then it's going to be a little bit confusing, because the confusion will be where? The confusion will be in the point where you don't know which way the market is going. Yeah, so keep in mind the simple three rules. Okay, number one, the red SSL should be the red, down here should be the red. Okay, and if you see down below the RSI, it's also should be the red. Okay, but I'm gonna tell you when it's gonna be the continuation. Okay, so there you can take your trade, and your stop loss will be above the previous high if you see the downtrend like this one. Okay, so let's just talk about this situation and the previous situation. If you've seen the previous situation, okay, it was the continuation down here, but here it's already the reversal, the pattern which you see in this area, that's the head and shoulder pattern, and the trend start bearish move. Okay, now you see from here it become the red one. We're gonna take the short trade now. In this area it shows the red one. Wait for, you can see it's a blue, yeah, sorry, the watercolor, and then gray, and then red. Okay, we have two conditions are met, this one and down here. Okay, so we have to get ready, take our trade. But down here, if you see, it also shows the red below the 50. Okay, so it's also show the red. That's mean we have to take this trade without any doubt. You take the short position, and then you can see here. But in this area again, it's 1 to 2 as you can cover easily. But in this area again, you'll be a little bit confused, because the color from the red to the water is change. Okay, and it shows the green here, and then it shows the two gray here. So you don't have to worry in this condition. That is also send the continuation for the short move, okay, for the downtrend. How? Because you see the blue here, the down here is the gray only, there's no blue, so you don't have to worry, okay. It's a red and then gray two dots here. You can see the QQE down here, QQE, okay. And it went up to the green. When it's went up to the green, the RSI divergence, that's easy tell you this trend is going to still continuously going down, you can see. So from this point again you can short and you can continuously take your trade to the short, okay. And there you can see it's already down here. So this is again 1 to 2, I think, yeah, 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. You can take your trade. This is your winning trade, and as you know, the stop loss here was the previous high, just there, okay. So here again I'm going to show you another example. If you see, this is the blue one, okay, this is the blue one, condition is met, okay. Then we see down here the QQE, it shows the gray one. So now we have to wait for the trade, and then when we see the blue one, the second condition are met here, okay. And over here you can see it's already green. So when it's three conditions are met, then you can take your trade without any doubt and don't have to worry about the taking the trade. You have to take a risk, okay. You have to wait for your all conditions are met, okay, and then you can take your trade. So let's just take this trade, and the trade we take it from here in this candle, in this small candle, and our stop loss is below the previous low, just down here, okay. And then take a look the trade, we start moving up. You can see here, yeah, just start moving up. Even if you go in the chart all the way back or any point you want to take a trade like this one, you can see the continuously nice rally, you can see going upwards, okay. And it's the same thing, you don't have to worry about it in this area. If you see the red one here and the red one here, then you're gonna think, okay, the market is gonna drop. No, the market will not drop because the RSI already went down and it shows the continuation of the trend. So if you take this trade, it's continuously going up, a little bit more down, but and it shows again the continuation, and the market start rising up, as you can see all the way, okay. These things you have to keep in the mind, okay. The market or the chart already already done, so that's easy to find these things. But when you are in the current market, the current situation, then there will be a lot of things to stop you to take the trade. But you don't have to worry, you just have to follow the rules and take your trade without any hesitation, and you will make money. And that's very powerful, and it's very easy to find the trend. So you don't have to worry about the price action and the trend line stuff, as I was explaining in my previous video. If you didn't watch my previous video, the link will be in the description down below, and you can find it. And easy indicators videos or easy indication of the market, I explained in my other video as well, and that's really also very powerful strategies, and I'm using it myself, okay. So you should try before go on live. You should try it on your demo account, and then you can like not like 1,000 times, okay. Make sure most people they do the videos and they take the trades in the demo account for like many time, and then they start confusing, they got bored. When they get to the real account, they not follow the rules, and they start losing money. So keep in mind the rules are very important. You have to follow the rules and take the trades with your three confirmations when it's met, three confirmation of the indicators, and then you take your trade, and it's going to be winning trade. God bless you. Take care a lot of yourself, and make sure don't forget to subscribe my channel. subscribe my channels, and it's helped me a lot. And it's going to be very easy for you guys to find the new strategies with the simple and easy indicators. Okay, and don't forget, sorry, to give a thumbs up, like, and press the bell icon so you get the notification for my latest and new videos. Thank you very much. Have a good night.